Section 1. Right foot, side, left together, forward lock step, right foot forward, step, lock, step. Left foot, forward lock, recover, back lock step, left foot, back, lock, back. Facing 12 o'clock. Section count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Right foot, back, left touch and hip bump. Left step, right foot behind touch and hip bump. Right foot, back lock, recover and right foot flick. Facing 12 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, right foot, cross side cross. Weave step, left foot, side behind, side cross. Facing 12 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Repeat, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, cross side cross. Quarter turn, back lock step, left quarter turn, right foot, back lock, back. Half turn shuffle step, left half turn, left foot, step together, forward. Facing 3 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.